Hi everyone, I'm Doug Black at Inside HPC. We're at the SC24 conference in Atlanta this week, and with me is Alex Bouzari. He is co-founder and CEO of DDN, the intelligence data platform company. And Alex, you've been around the HPC and HPC-AI community for years, but tell us about the focus of DDN this week at the conference.
Yeah, sure, absolutely. So, it's absolutely fascinating. Our industry, if you think of HPC, it's an industry which has been around for a long, long time. And finally, everything that we've accomplished as an industry is evolving and growing into AI. So that's the most exciting thing that we're seeing. And I think everybody in our industry is benefiting from it. Just the explosion of data and the enablement and the evolution of HPC into AI. That's the major trend here.
Yeah. And major news announcements this week. Can you update us?
Sure. Quite a few things. We announced that xAI, which is one of the leading providers of models and solutions connected to X, is using DDN on their infrastructure. So more than 100,000 GPUs in their data centers. DDN is part of that, so we're very proud and very honored to be part of that deployment. NVIDIA clearly continues to use DDN internally. We're the only technology that is being deployed internally by NVIDIA for their data requirements, and lots of other great customers who are using DDN to enhance what they're doing with AI and with their data.
So the positioning around this key phrase, intelligence data platform, how do you distinguish yourselves from the other traditional high-performance storage companies?
Sure. So we don't believe that the world is stratified the way it used to be. It used to be that the world was servers and networks and data, and that's what you needed in order to process all of it. Now it's completely different. Now there is data on the one side, and that data is highly distributed. It's text, it's images, it's audio, it's video. You have to ingest it, you have to curate it, you have to train models on it, and at the other end of it, there's insight, things that you can make decisions from. So creating better products, better tools, better services, innovation, science. So where we differentiate is we are the only company and the only technology that can achieve that at large scale. And where you're dealing with high performance computing or with AI, you do need massive scale. That's what DDN does. We're an enabler and an accelerator of data and of workloads at very large scale. Nobody else can do it.
Yeah, and that's where you've always been. And now you're doing that within this HPC-AI context. Now, looking out over the next 18 to 24 months, what might we expect from DDN?
So lots of great innovations around this whole ability to generate insight faster, more reliably, and at an accelerated pace with AI. We will be launching new technologies having to do with software, which will give us the ability and give our customers the ability not just to generate value in the stack, which is smaller footprint in the data center, less power consumption, better utilization of GPUs, which we do, I believe, better than any other company out there, and our customers are telling us that. But it's also generating value above the stack. The large language models, inference and generative AI, the AI frameworks, the software suites. There's tremendous value that can be unlocked there. And by doing so, you can just propel and accelerate the advent of AI as a business enabler, as a scientific discovery enabler across market segments and industries. So there will be quite a few announcements from DDN over the next several months having to do with that. Acceleration of insight more reliably in a highly distributed way, data centers and clouds for customers.
Okay, great stuff. So we've been with Alex Bouzari of DDN. Thanks so much for your time.
Thank you very much for having me. Appreciate it.